What's up? It's your girl Ellis back with another recipe. So today I'm gonna make my take of a tuna salad sandwich, but we're gonna make it plant-based with chickpeas.
I'ma kick back when you fake like that. I'ma kick back when you fake like that.
Okay, so to make the main part of the sandwich, what you're going to need today is some chickpeas, some onions, capers, celery stalk, mustard, mayo, seaweed, salt, pepper, butter, lettuce, and yeah, here we go. So we're gonna be taking everything except for the butter, lettuce, and the tomato and mashing it up in this bowl. We're gonna start by the chickpeas. Onions, We're gonna go in with the capers. This is gonna give it that salty taste. So you can either put them whole or you can dice them up, totally depending on your preference. Next, we're gonna go in with the celery stalk. Give it a little bit of texture with a tablespoon of mustard. Now we're gonna go in with 4 tablespoons of my favorite, the mayonnaise. Next, we're gonna go in with the seaweed. And lastly, we're gonna go in with the salt and pepper. Now it's time to mash it all together. Yummy, yummy. This actually smells amazing. I love this recipe so much because of how quick and easy the whole process is. Now it's time to put the whole sandwich together. So you're gonna grab a slice of bread, and then you're gonna grab your chickpea tuna concoction, all plant-based. I'm just gonna spread it. Look at how delicious this looks. Now it's time to top it with your tomatoes as well as your butter and lettuce. Now butter lettuce is one of my favorite types of lettuce to use because it's literally just like butter. It's so soft. So I'm gonna top it with maybe 2 pieces right there. Now it's time for the tomatoes. And finally, we're gonna top it with some sprouts for some added nutrition and flavor. These are so good for you. They have so many health benefits. And if you're like me and you're a little extra saucy, you can add some more vegan mayo on top. Yeah. And last but not least, you're gonna add your second piece of bread on top to turn it into a sandwich. Feel free to take a knife. Put it right down the middle. And now it's my favorite part. Time to enjoy it. You guys have no idea how delicious this is. Thank you so much for joining me. Now it's time for you to get out of here so I can finish this.